Research has shown that art allows students to consolidate their understanding, to connect it in ways that will help them to be able to retain it later. Think of all the stations that you could use this as an accountability piece for. They could illustrate what they just read. They could illustrate a word problem to show they understand what is going on in the word problem. It could be used with academic vocabulary. The ideas are endless. So, as a teacher, what would you need to do to set this up? I think using a Schoology discussion would be a great solution. I'm in a Schoology course, and what I'm going to do is choose Add Materials and add a discussion. Now, the reason I'm choosing discussion is because it's easy for me as a teacher to set up, and it's very easy for me to scan and quickly see who's understanding and who's not. So I'm going to call this word problem illustration. I've written some very simple instructions that they need to take a picture of their illustration using the camera app on their Chromebook, then write their name in the text box of the discussion, insert their image file, choose post, and then they can comment using academic language on others' posts. I would have already pre-taught this skill. I then can choose create. Now when students see this, they see my instructions right here. They would type their name, click on insert a file. So if you haven't used discussions before, you might need to show them this. Choose the picture that they took using their camera app. And it attaches like this, but once they hit post, it shows up as a picture. So you'll see right away, as a teacher, you can just scan right down the discussion thread as students are adding their images and see very quickly who understands and who doesn't. Consider adding opportunities for students to use art as a way to show what they know. And consider using Schoology discussions. It's a fast, easy way for you to just scan right down to the discussion and see who has it and who needs more support.